it's a shit that I want, I achieve it. Is that boy getting guala for real? Bitch, you better believe it. Y'all would've thought I was starving myself with the way that the nigga been eating, but he thought he was a demon. 2-piece left him leaking. Chopsticks for the defense. I humble your ass quick by playing with me. These lessons I'm teaching. When I get up on the beat, I'm going dumb, something like Beavis. I got a question for all of y'all goofy ass niggas. Why y'all be reaching? Got the big body screeching. None of this came easy. I do not have to stop it. Get it, get it, get it, go. That's my only option. Lickety be rockin', ayy. Lickety be rockin', ayy. Lickety be rockin', ayy. Really wavy like a dolphin, ayy. Got these bitches going bonkers, ayy. I done showed up out of nowhere. Got 'em like, who the fuck that right there? That nigga right there don't fight fair. Top of legal pussy shaking like a nightmare. Put a bag on the pole, get him out of there. I be praying I don't even have to take it there. Make it sit your ass down like daycare. Hit your hoe from the back till it take care, ayy. I am relentless as fuck. If I ain't winning, I ain't giving up. I'm making it, spinning it, living it up. Rising the double, I'm zipping it up, ayy. Earthquake, earthquake. The way I make shit shake. Took the shit from the bottom, built it up to outer space. You ain't talking about dollars. Get the fuck up out my face. Oh, you looking for some prizes? You better look the other way. Cause if I gotta let it go, then your ass ain't safe. Nah, you pussy ass ain't safe. If it's a shit that I want, I achieve it. Is that boy getting guala for real? Bitch, you better believe it. Y'all would've thought I was starving myself with the way that the nigga been eating, but he thought he was a demon. 2-piece left him leaking. Chopsticks for the defense. I humble your ass quick by playing with me. These lessons I'm teaching. When I get up on the beat, I'm going dumb, something like Beavis. I got a question for all of y'all goofy ass niggas. Why y'all be reaching? Got the big body screeching. None of this came easy.
Nah, none of this came easy. Had to show 'em what the fuck going on. They ain't believe. Yo, main hoe wanna please me. These chicks tryna come see me. Good, sorry, I'm confident, don't